Do you know in option trading you can make money in any direction? Yes, irrespective of the direction, up or down, even in the sideways, you can make money in option trade. Hi, this is Ramesh. Join my 5 days option trading masterclass program and become a profitable trader in 1 week. Learn 2 important aspects. First, how to protect your capital. Second, how to make consistent income every day. Click on the below link and register for 5 days masterclass program in option trading. Plus, you will trade live with me from Monday to Friday from 9 to 10:30 a.m. live in the market. So, click on the below link, register now. See you in live.